Saw a sign, I thought I've got to start a video here. So Gstaad is beautiful, and I have to agree it is a beautiful place. Just look at some of the chalets and that. They've got building regulations that any kind of new shop or anything, if they want to build something, it's got to be in a chalet style. And it's just beautiful. And just down here is, there's a gift shop. I was in the other day and it was really expensive. See, for like fridge magnets and stuff like that, ridiculous prices. And it's all just designer shops. Just really expensive. Speaking of expense, I'm going to show you probably the most expensive thing, or apart from the house, one of the most expensive things in Gstaad, and it's in this supermarket, and I believe that bottle of cognac costs £80,000, £90,000, something like that. I think it's actually shut now, but £90,000. It's shut. Over here's Charlie's Bar, named after Charlie Chaplin. Let's look at the menu. 15 Swiss francs for a soup. Is that the cheapest thing in the menu? 14 croque monsieur, toast is the cheapest. Toast, ham and cheese, 14 Swiss francs. Sorbet's cheap, but 14 Swiss francs for a ham and cheese sandwich. Wow, that's just ridiculous. See, there's where we started with the Gstaad is beautiful sign. Over here's that kind of art gallery thing, a Valentino shop. I'm not even going to venture in. They look at you like, can you afford this? You know. And I'm just working class scum from Scotland. Nobody here understands my accent. They all look puzzled when I talk. You look, there's Jacqueline over in the corner on her phone. She always criticises me being on my phone, but well, there we go. These sculptures. I don't know what that's meant to, who it's meant to be, but there it is. And one thing about Gstaad that I find kind of interesting is it's got its name plastered everywhere. Like wee kind of designs and stuff. So, you got this one. Other arrangement with Gstaad. It's a lovely place, and it's highly recommended. There's a Prada shop. I got Jacqueline a nice wee purse out of there, but she's a wee bit kind of fear to walk about with it. But try telling her that you're not going to get mugged here. It has been wonderful, but we have travelled to Montreux and Vevey and kind of back again. It is just pure luxury. And some of the things are a bit obscene. Price wise, it's like, really? Fine tea shop. I bet the teapots cost a fortune. But it's a fair bet in Gstaad that everything's going to cost a fortune. 14 Swiss francs for a cheese and ham sandwich, toasty. Just ridiculous. I'll just take a wee moment to say thank you everyone for watching, if you've lasted this long. I try to make my videos as interesting as possible. I should say I'm really badly sunburnt, so I'm starting to peel, so if it looks like I've got bad dandruff, it's not, it's just I never thought. I've got a black t-shirt, I've got my Freddie Mercury Montreux t-shirt, which I got yesterday at the Bazaar Swiss gift shop. And I should have wore something else, but anyway, so if you please like, subscribe and share, it would really help the channel out and help me keep doing these videos. visit all these places, which I love doing. And it's kind of like a kind of hobby for me, you know. I needed something to pass the time, and doing a YouTube channel, it's a good way of doing it. So, and it brings out a lot of confidence in you to do this. So, thank you for watching, and I'm just going to show you a wee bit of scenery for the last wee 30 seconds or so. Look at that. And it's like way behind them houses, way along that road, maybe an hour away. That's where Glacier 3000 is. So, thanks for watching, folks. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Hopefully, some point I'll be somewhere just as good as Gstaad. Take care. Bye bye.